I'm Billy, that's Lisa. This is our channel. We're glad you found us. But anyway, me and Lisa do home improvements for a living. That's all we've ever done. That's all we know how to do. And we want to take y'all with us. So you can see how much she doesn't do and how much I do. Because she makes me. But we're gonna take you with us on our jobs as we go, and they change up. We're working, the one we're making videos of now are turning the garage, an existing garage, into a family room and a bathroom. And so the next one could be a kitchen, it could be a bathroom, who knows. We've got a few things lined up after we finish this one. But we want you to come along with us. And we could use the help, right? Anyway, give us a chance, see if you like us. I hope you stick around, and we're gonna keep on making them as long as somebody keeps watching them. And I ain't cutting my hair till I get at least 100 subscribers. So. I got my last haircut back in June. I think it's, you know, it's... Anyway, hey, thanks for checking us out. Here we are at Lowe's, as usual. I bet you we know this store better than most of the people that work here.
True. Absolutely.
Lisa says she's not coming tomorrow. Oh, goodness gracious. Lisa's the one that took him out and picked that tile out. Hi, goodness gracious. I'm going home and get a beer. Good morning, YouTube, friends and family. Guess what? Still no haircut. Goodness gracious. I think I'm gonna just let it go, see what happens. What do you think? Maybe start growing a beard. I got that started too. Goodness gracious. So look, I told Lisa she married me nothing but the best. And look at us now. Alright, so Lisa's gonna go get some siding and some window flashing so I can put the front of this house back together and some shutters. And while she's doing that, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna take them leveling wedges out of the floor and grout that, the bathroom floor. We're gonna select a tile for the walls so we can get that. And oh yeah, then I'm gonna get into some drywall mud. So that's what I'm doing. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Oh, Lisa's taking her mom to the doctor's. Okay, the inside's done, the outside's done. All our casing's on, new windows installed. We gotta put in the holes and caulk them. But yeah, and obviously we have to replace the sashes when the new ones come. But all in all, nice, nice, nice. Let's go check the outside. She ain't wasting no time putting the air conditioning on. You didn't waste no time with the air conditioning, did you? Anyway, here we go. Siding's back up, shutters installed. Nice, 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 clean, clean, clean. So that does it for our replace these two windows video, I guess. Trust me, we're getting ready to move on to something else. Okay, I'll be back at you.